everyone and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, hello. So if you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like the video. But I thought we would just do a full face of bringing it back to the OG makeup, which is the brand MAC. I'm sure you guys have heard of it, so I thought we would just jump straight in. Also, this is a situation here. So I've literally just put on a little bit of concealer, which is cheating a little bit just before I'm about to film, but I had to. But I didn't put any here. So yeah, let's jump straight into the video and we will play with some MAC makeup. The first thing I'm going to use, I've had this for a while and I just haven't used it. It is the Fix Plus, the Magic Radiance All Day Hydrating Spray with vitamin C, which looks like this. So I'm just going to spray this all over my face. Yeah, it just looks like a normal like setting powder type of situation. So it doesn't really look too different to to the other ones. Yeah. And then I'm going to add in this MAC Prep and Prime, which is like a stick. And it is a pore filling stick, yeah, so it's a pore refiner stick, and I'm just going to add this in the places where I want to make sure all my pores are all covered, which is like all over here. Guys, I've applied concealer before this, which is probably the worst thing to do, but like my skin was just so bad and I couldn't come on camera with my skin being how it is. So I'm just going to press this in. I've just had a bad breakout week because I think it's from all the crap that we've been eating over Christmas, and obviously that's really affecting my skin. I've just had a Morrison shop delivered. So I'm hoping, obviously with my normal routine, my skin will improve. Obviously you guys will know about the MAC Pro Longwear Foundation. I'm going to see if I haven't used this in the longest time, so I'm just going to pump a couple of squirts onto my hand. I use the shade NC15 and I'm just going to apply this with my Real Techniques brush all over my face. So I'm going to go in and finish, like I've used loads of this as you guys can see. It is the MAC Select Cover Up Concealer in NW15, and I'm just going to apply this. Just going to put this on the back of my hand. I can get any out. I think this is going to need to go in the bin after I filmed. Like, I'm really having to squeeze product out. I thought the next thing we would use, if you guys watched my powder and primer collection, I had this, which I said I hadn't used yet, which is the MAC Light Plus Mineral Foundation. So I'm just going to take this gently and apply this like to the outer half of my face, and then I don't have a translucent powder, so I'm going to have to go and grab another translucent powder and come back and just set that for my under eyes. It's still dark for being like it's still dark for being like a Light Plus foundation, but I'm just going to like swirl this around, dab it. So I realised I had a MAC powder in NC15, which is Studio Fix powder. So I'm just going to use that to like set the inner half of my face, so like my eyes. Underneath. And then my forehead. yeah, so to be honest, I quite liked that light foundation, mineral foundation, sorry. It is nice. I don't know if I'd use it all the time just because I don't really like these type of pans where it kind of comes out. I much prefer them like pressed into a pan. I just find that easier for an everyday use. But it looks nice on the face. It's definitely mattified it. From my skin now with the MAC Give Me Sun Mineralize bronzer, which looks like this. I love this for a bronzer. I've gone through quite a few of these now.
Just gonna warm my face.
And then I'm going to grab this MAC blush, which looks like this, and then on the inside it looks like this, and this is called Blush Baby. I used to love this blush, so I'm just gonna, it's like a mauvey pink. I'm just gonna take it to the back of my cheeks. I thought we would jump into this MAC eyeshadow palette and do eyes, which looks like this. So this is the eyeshadow palette, and it is the eyeshadow warm neutral palette. And I'm just going to dive in. There's no colours on it, so I'll show you guys what I'm using. I think I'm just going to do like a brown smoky eye. I don't think I'm going to do anything crazy. So I'm just going to jump into this shade here, which is like this warm brown shade. And I'm just going to apply this through my crease. And just blend it out on the outer V. I'm not going to bring it through just yet. I just really want to blend it out on the outer V first. This shade here, which is like a cool toned brown. And I'm just going to place this over the top of where I placed that brown.
Just to blend out that brown. Again, I'm just still concentrating this on the outer V.
And then what I think I'm going to do is go in with this gold shade and just apply that on the inner half of my eye and go up quite high. Look how stunning that pigment is. Wow. I haven't played with this palette in forever. So obviously you can see I brought it up quite high to like this deep maroony dark brown shade, and I'm going to go in with this Morphe M321 brush, and I'm just going to quickly pop that on the outer V. Yeah, that's super pigmented. It's super easy to blend out, like it doesn't take as much effort as other palettes maybe. I'm super impressed. So I grabbed my Morphe 421 brush, and there is like this champagne-y rosy gold colour here, and I'm just going to apply this to my inner half, inner eye, and then also to my brow bone, just to make it pop a bit more. Probably shouldn't have used this brush or this colour, but you know. This brush, and go in with the white shade that's in this palette and just quickly pop that over, just to erase that a bit more but still have the shine there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go off camera, do my other eye, come back, we'll apply some mascara and we'll apply some highlighter together, and then I will let you guys know my final thoughts. Hi, so I am back. So I've done my other eye. I had to like clean it up a little bit and sort it out. As you guys know, my eyes are completely different, so I had to kind of adjust what I did. But for my highlighter, I thought we would jump into this loose one, which is called Golden Bronze. And I will swatch this on the back of my hand. So you guys can see that there. It's super pretty. I wonder if it's still going to suit my skin. Actually, let's go in with a fan highlighter brush. So this is from the Morphe x Bretman Rock. And I'm just going to dip this into like the top bit of the product. And then go in with some of the MAC Fix Plus. Just fan it on. And then for the last part, I wanted to show you like my old favourite combination for my lips from MAC, which is the Cork lip liner. So I'll apply this. And then the shade Creme de Nude, which looks like this. This is before I got into like the browns. The lip gloss, which is a MAC lip gloss, and it is in the shade Myth. And it looks like this. Super like peachy orangey pink. With my Amazon cheapy brush for my under eye, and we're just going to go in with that first brown shade. And I'm just going to quickly apply some mascara and then come back and tell you guys my full thoughts, and then we'll round up everything. So I am back from doing my eyes, my mascara. Yeah, overall guys, I love this look. I love MAC products. I think they're really good, especially if you're a makeup artist and, you know, they're really good for makeup artists. I know that there's a lot of better brands out there now, and MAC's kind of lagged behind releasing new products that people want. However, the products that they do have now are not bad. So that's why I wanted to show you and show you how maybe you could bring that back into a new routine, or maybe to pick some stuff up. I've forgotten how much I loved this palette. It's such a nice palette for an everyday wear. Like, to be honest, what colour in here would you not try and rock every day? Maybe this cranberry shade, but even then it's still wearable, which I think all these products are wearable for every day. I mean, I probably wouldn't rock this specific lip. I probably would take away the lip gloss and I would just have like an everyday lighter brownie nude. But I would probably rock the eyes. I probably wouldn't rock this highlighter just because it is the wrong tone. But I do have other highlighters in my collection which are MAC that I really do like. To be honest, it's a super simple look. There's nothing wrong with wearing this, and you know, it's not colourful. It's a very original look, and I love that. So, you know, I'm going to continue to use these products. I just wanted to bring that back. Maybe you do have it in your collection, you think, oh, I haven't used that in a while. You can watch this video and be like, oh, you know, Jess was wearing it. So yeah, it's nothing wrong with MAC. I love it. Some things I probably wouldn't repurchase, probably like the mineral foundation. I will use it up. I'll always repurchase the MAC Give Me Sun, and I'll probably purchase some more blushes just because I really like them. This I'll have to have a think about and get back to you. I probably will give this away just because it's the wrong shade. But yeah, everything else I love. I love the lipsticks. I will continue to purchase their lipsticks and lip glosses. I love their formula. I love the colours that they do. So yeah, but I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Obviously give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any of the products or what you might pick up after this video, and also subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!